Should be the last pullback for SMCI. Look at this. What's going on, guys? We have a huge jump back in here, back in November last year in 2024. We have a huge pullback. After that, in beginning of this year, after that, we have a huge pump up in February, and now we have another huge pullback down. So if you see in a big picture, let me just show you. In a big picture, we got a big wave here. Huge jump, a huge dump, a huge pump, a huge dump. However, the main thing here to watch, it is this bottom level around this white line. Why? Because this is where we have the big whale buying the dip for SMCI. Back here, November 2024, second one around the beginning of this year, 2025, and this is in April after 3 months. So a span of almost 2-3 months, we have a buyer for SMCI, preventing the price to go below the $20. So in today's video, we have to confirm when we're gonna have the confirmation to squeeze from this flag, and of course confirming that we're gonna have another shoot up or another jump for SMCI of 150%, because usually when we have a huge dip, we have a huge squeeze for SMCI around the 150% exactly. Last time 150%, last year, and this year, beginning of this year, we have 150%. So we're missing another 150%, another jump. Right now, we are constantly near the bottom for SMCI. So let's dive deeper, guys, and discuss SMCI price target and where the price will go next month or the end of this month, because it is imminent. I can see it right now. It is imminent. We have to confirm two levels: the bottom and the breakout zone for a reversal. So we don't want to miss out the next jump of 150%. Before we start our video, hit the like, subscribe, because we always go live every day. We do update every day here on our YouTube channel. And of course, before even the market open, we do our update on our Discord and Patreon. So if you missed the party today, guys, we have a nice party. We have really good profit taken for many things. Said took his profit right now. Nice hunt, Said. We got Night Rider took his profit on M or WNW, which it was the best trade for today that we did in the pre-market. So in the pre-market, there's always action, guys. So if you want to join the pre-market action or alerts for taking profit before even the market open, the link comes section below to our Discord and Patreon. In the meantime, what's going on, guys, with SMCI? As we discussed last time, twice we got a huge jump of 150% for SMCI. Right now, we waiting for the third pump for SMCI for this year, or the second pump, if you calculate right, because the last pump that we got for SMCI was in February this year. The last pump that we had before that was last year. So technically, we have just one pump this year. So we're waiting for the second pump for this year. So how are we going to confirm that? Right now, we got this white line, which is technically over the 2540, or preferably over this the 2760. So if we held over here, would be pretty nice for SMCI to have a breakout. Well, look at me closely here. Look at this chart. Once we break this white line, which we've been tested since beginning of February, around this level, let me just show you here, exactly there. We have a huge test every time. So now we need to break this channel from above, and around the 37 will be a great test for SMCI to break from this huge seller. Let me just show you exactly. Around this orange line, we got this resistance around the 37. So we got the 37 for a breakout from this huge seller, which pushing the price down. However, how are we going to confirm if the seller is getting weaker? First of all, look at this. The last huge seller, we have a huge pump down. Now we have another huge pump down. Now the third seller is getting weaker, because this time we're not getting a new low. Instead, we're still holding over the 27. So this is a good indication that the seller is getting weaker. So now we have to hold over the 27 and confirming that the 27 or over the 25, it is our current bottom. After that, we're going to confirm the weakness of the seller, which mean we have a strong buyer. And this will give us a signal. After that, the second signal is breaking the 37.10 cents. After we break this level, is mean the short seller started to cover, the buyers started to buy. We got FOMO buyer, new investors coming in, and then we're gonna have our breakout and the 150% jump. Let me just calculate where we're gonna go if we did 150% this time. We're gonna have a new high around the 75, guys, $75. This is my target, or around, to be realistic, around the $72.50. This is if we have a major buyer right now and started to squeeze for SMCI. The bottom in the big picture, if we broke the 25 or 27, is around the $20.64. If in any case, if we got a big seller, if the markets continue to go down, I'm watching for a dip around the 2064, which will be interesting dip to buy for a reversal. Even though if the market is weak, guys, there's always a chance to buy the dip reversal, because every time the buyers and waiting for discount price. Just consider this like in Black Friday or in Christmas, you always have a discount for electronic, for cars, whatever. If you have a discount, what you're gonna do? If you see the price is discounted 50%, of course you go all in and buy. Even if you don't have money, you're gonna rent money. You're gonna go to the bank and you take a loan, because you see the last iPhone or laptop is getting discounted 50%. So you're gonna go shopping. So right now we're gonna go shopping if the price go below or around the 2064. For now, we're still holding the 2760, so it's not, there's no problem. We don't think about the bottom, but we talking about the bottom around the 24 in any case if we have a pullback. In the meantime, guys, watch out for this resistance around the 3710 and around the 2766. And let me know in comment section below, are we gonna have the 150% in this month or the next month once we break the 37? And let me know in comment section below, is the 25 or around the 2766, is it the bottom or we're not there yet? So let me know in comment section below. Thank you for watching, and as usual, let the price come to you and never ever run after the price. Thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow.